This is our BAILEY DS2 drop sides garden trailer. About a 5,000 pound capacity. All the sides are removable. The tailgate swings open. The sides can also be flipped down on these hinges for loading, or like I said, you can slide them off completely. This trailer has a single ram tilt. Just plumbs into the hydraulics on the tractor for the tilt. Has a park brake. I'll show you that here on this side. With this handle, you just crank it tight for applying the brakes, and you just push it the whole way back to release. Also has hydraulic braking as well. That was a standard feature on these trailers. Very handy little size. This is the smallest line of BAILEY trailers, the very smallest BAILEY. We can also get a 4-ton, a 6-ton, 8-ton, and larger in the drop sides model. See something you like, see a size you want to quote on, feel free to shoot us an email and give us a call. Happy to answer any questions you might have.